you're wondering what I'm doing, the steering went out on this old lawnmower. Ruthie don't know how to pick his feet up. And so what's happening is the steering wheel is going up and down and the gear is popping out. So I tried to get the there's a Phillips screw underneath there. I tried to get it out, but it wasn't coming out. So I'm trying to figure out how to keep it moving up and down. So that's what I'm doing. Nothing really exciting.
Well, but praise the Lord that you're home. This is a Thursday morning, by the way.
And I got this jumpsuit on because we got these, I don't know what to call them, sweat beads. People around here call them something else. But I was working with my shirt off and I had like 5,000 of them. One in my ear, one in my butt. One.
Your butt?
I mean, they were just everywhere. They're attacking us. And they're real smart. When you look, turn your head, they're back behind your head. They are quick, and they're little yellow things that move like some kind of fly. They call them flies, some type of fly. But they're super duper fast. You turn your head and they turn. They move as you turn your head. They always keep out of your eyesight. And man, they'll bite the crap out of you.
Yeah.
So that's why I got my coveralls on out here in the heat.
Well, I'm very grateful that you know how to fix all these things. I mean, Stephen's always working on something. I mean, he's certainly...
Yeah, that's pretty sad. I'm always working on something.
Well, I mean, you could look at it the other way, Stephen. You can look at it that you know how to do...
Hold on to it.
All right. You can look at it the other way. You can look at it how you're so talented that you know how to fix things and we don't have to hire people to do stuff. We would have never survived as an owner-operator family if you could not have fixed the truck yourself. It was last August that you rebuilt the 3406E, the Caterpillar 3406E last August. In fact, that's what you were doing on our 20th anniversary last August. You had the Caterpillar motor all torn apart and we're working on it.
Yeah, I spent 20 grand fixing that freaking thing and didn't get nothing out of it. Isn't that nice?
You got a track loader.
Yeah, it's sitting there collecting dust.
the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,